Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. So before I start talking about this interesting scenario which is being flashed right now, looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame and also warn you guys about the incoming volatility, I just want to quickly inform you about our new update on Crypto Anup alt channel. Yes guys, yesterday we have another update on Binance, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, XRP. So if you are holding any of this coin, then do check this video out. The link is in the description down below. And if you're also unaware about our Crypto Anup altcoin channel, the link is in the description down below. So feel free to check it out. Now, we know in about 2 days, 8 hours from now, the next FOMC meeting is going to take place. And if you look at the target rate probabilities for 14 June 2023 Fed meeting, around 19.5% are expecting rate hike and 80.5% are expecting a pause. Yes, no rate hike. So will this impact the market? Because if you look at S&P 500, S&P 500 looks bullish, breaking out from this descending broadening wedge, which we have already talked in one of my videos. But looking at the price action of Bitcoin, we are still struggling to hold this 26,000 support properly. So what to expect next if the Fed is going to decide or go for the no rate hike at all? I mean a pause in rate hike. So if that is the case, then I am actually expecting the market for the upcoming days, especially Bitcoin, with some range bounds, slowly start with another impulsiveness, because in a bigger frame, we are still above 25,000. And I have been saying this since a couple of weeks, guys. As long as the price in a bigger frame remains above 25,000, let's not panic, because we knew in a bigger frame, as long as the price remains above 25,000, we are still above some of the key line of support, and this pullback could be a retest from this inverse head and shoulder formation before price again starts showing impulsiveness. Because according to this example, according to this breakout from the falling trend line, I have been very clear, since the price of Bitcoin in our case has already broken one of the most important line. If you look at this one here, this horizontal trend line, it has been retested, and exactly at the same time, our indicator, Crypto Anup buy sell indicator, is also giving us a signal, I mean a buy signal. So if this plays out one more time, just like here from the past price action, then according to this Crypto Anup buy sell indicator, accumulating Bitcoin around 25,000 is not a bad idea at all. You can dollar cost average if you are not confident enough. But if you look at this in a bigger frame, I mean again in a weekly time frame, 2 days ago, price of Bitcoin was clearly lacking momentum, and it was also breaking below one of the most important support line again here in a weekly time frame. The support from 21 weekly exponential moving average, which was sitting around 25,800. But now, if we look at this weekly candle today, we are around 26,000. That means the price has managed, yes guys, the price has managed to come across this 21 weekly exponential moving average. So if the price does remains above this key line, then we are expecting the market, this crypto market in general, not just only Bitcoin, to show some sort of a relief rally after this massive shakeout. Because we know in a weekly, another example is also pointing us, since the price has managed to remain above this horizontal trend line, managed to find support of 30-week exponential moving average, 21 weekly exponential moving average, right? And also this Crypto Anup buy sell indicator indicating us buy signal. This is definitely giving us some hope that the market in the upcoming days might be slowly showing a move here in this manner, and this shakeout or this pullback is going to be looked as a retest from some of the key line of resistance, previous temporary resistance line, before turning that into support, and also before starting this impulsive movement. And if you look at this in a daily time frame, regardless of what has happened in price action, regardless of SEC going after crypto exchanges, right, trying to kill crypto in general, we can see market is still holding one of the most important support line. Yes, 25,500 was a very, very important line of support. So if we do see Fed deciding or going for a rate pause, then I am actually expecting the market for the upcoming days, as I've been already clear, expect some relief rally. Price getting attracted towards this 27,000, 28,000 before again deciding the trend duration. Because right now the area where we are, this is a very important area, and since we are also holding that range, I'm the lower trend line, just like here from the past price action, this is giving us some sort of a hopium, because this could be resulting in some bullish movement, which is also playing out parallelly in a 4-hour time frame. Yes, this broadening wedge, is also clearly indicating the market in the medium short term. Let's say Bitcoin, right, is holding this key line. Holding the key line in the past price action has resulted in impulsive movement. So in our case, if the price of Bitcoin is going to follow this exact scenario one more time, then in the medium short term, we are expecting the price to go even higher, 26, 27,000, before again choosing a trend direction, because we know getting rejected around that area means the price is still weak, right? And we are not prepared for this actual impulsive movement. So what we need the price of Bitcoin to do in the medium short term, we just need the price to remain above 25,500 to 26,000 range to continue this uptrend, because we know parallelly this descending broadening wedge is also indicating us price of Bitcoin in the medium short term could be getting attracted towards this falling trend line. So what I want you guys to monitor is the price move around this area, the upper trend line from this descending broadening wedge, because if we do manage to break out of it, then that could trigger an impulsive movement here like this for the upcoming days with a price objective around 28,000. Yes guys, this descending broadening wedge is a bullish continuation pattern, so we just want the upper trend line around 26,600 to be flipped into support. By doing that, there is a very high probability of price getting attracted towards this 27, 28,000, even 28,000 before deciding the actual trend like this. So please guys, please wait for the price of Bitcoin to close out of certain line of support and resistance before looking for any trading opportunity, because we know since the price is still holding this key line and also looks like could be showing another relief rally just like this one here, right? Another relief rally here, also a relief rally towards the upper trend line. So if we are going to see another relief rally towards the upper trend line, then we have to be careful, because getting rejection has led to a bigger retracement, right? You can see that each and every time we fail to break out of it, it has led to a bigger retracement. So that's why we need this upper trend line to be flipped into proper support to see an actual relief rally or a move here towards 28,000 to play out. So these were some of the bullish scenario which I wanted to share with you today. But what if the Fed decides to go for another rate hike, a final rate hike? In that case, we should be monitoring this bump and run reversal top. According to this bump and run reversal top, the market here is in a very, very interesting area, because if we fail to hold this 25,000 support line, then there is a very high probability for this trend to slowly get attracted towards this 16,000, 17,000 price objective. So if we want to avoid this, then we definitely want the market to play along with us. So in that case, we are expecting a pause in rate hike and also price holding the 26,000 support in the medium short term. Now, before I conclude this video, I just want to aware you about our indicator. Yes, the indicator which I shared with you on my this video, the source code is available in our Telegram group. So just go to our Telegram group and look for the source code there. Now, by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye-bye.